A very good morning to one and all. So today's topic is estimation of buildings. So far we have seen what is estimate, what are the various types of estimate, and what are the methods used for determining the estimation. So we'll move on to today's topic. Here we have estimation of buildings. We'll be dealing with two problems. One is a single room building and another is two room building. And in both the questions we'll be dealing with the estimate of particular kind of thing that is mentioned in the question. So question 1, the figure shows the representation of plan of superstructure of the wall of a single room building of 5 meter by 4 meter, and the sections represents the cross section of the walls with the foundation. Estimate the quantities of the earthwork in excavation in foundation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation and plinth, and brickwork in superstructure. So this will be the figure that will be given in the exam or in each and every question. So with the help of this diagram, we'll be estimating the various things that is mentioned in the question. So you could see the plan of the superstructure wall and also the cross section on AB and CD on the long wall and short wall. So in both cases we have the specification of the foundation or the flooring and also on the dimensions of the room. So with this, let us start with the detailed estimate of the room, one room building. So here we have the items of work, the particulars of the items, the numbers, the length, breadth, the depth, quantity, and explanatory notes. So the first one is the explanation, earthwork in excavation of foundation. So in that we have long walls 2, length is 6.20, breadth is 0.9, depth is 0.9, quantity is 10.04. The length is calculated by adding the length to the breadth. In case of short walls is 2, length is 3.40, breadth is 0.90, and the depth is 0.90, and quantity is 5.51. The breadth length is calculated based upon 0.30 minus 0.90. Here, the total quantity is calculated by summing up the long walls and short walls of the earthwork in excavation and foundation. So the total is 15.55 meter cube. Second one is the concrete in foundation. The concrete in foundation has, in that case also we have long walls 2, 6.20 length, 0.90, 0.30, 3.25 quantity. Short walls 2, 3.40, 0.90, 0.30, that makes 1.83. So that makes a total of 5.18 meter cube. Third one is the brickwork in foundation and plinth. Long walls first footing 2, 5.90, 0.60, 0.30, it's 2.13. Second footing is 2, 5.80, 0.50, 0.30, that makes 1.74. Plinth walls 2, 5.70, 0.40, 0.60, 2.74. In case of short wall, first footing is 2, 3.70, 0.60, 0.30, that makes 1.33. Second footing 2, 3.80, 0.50, 0.30. Plinth walls 2, 3.90, 0.40, 0.60, that makes a total of 1.87. So the total up of quantities is 10.75 meter cube. The last one is the brickwork in superstructure. Long walls 2, 5.60, 0.30, 3.50, that makes a total quantity of 11.76. In case of short walls, it is 2, 4, 0.30, 3.50, that makes a total quantity of 8.40. The total summing up of quantity is 20.16 meter cube. So this is how we should calculate the detailed estimate of one roomed building. Similarly, for a two roomed building, the question defines to be estimate the quantities of the following items for a two roomed building from the given plan section shown in the figure. Earthwork and excavation of foundation, lime concrete in foundation, first class brickwork in cement mortar, 2.5 centimeter cement concrete damp proof course, and first class brickwork in lime mortar in superstructure. So let us see the diagram. From the figure you can find the two roomed building and the cross section of the wall on the AA. So here we have specification of the doors, windows, shelves, also the inside dimensions of the rooms on and the cross-sectional details of the foundation at the point at the section AA. So let us move on to the detailed estimate. Number one is the earthwork in excavation. Here we have long walls center to center, length is 4 meter, and short walls and interwalls cross center to center length is being calculated. First one is earthwork excavation and foundation, long walls 2, 11.70, 1.101, that makes 25.74. Short walls 3, 5.20, 1.101, that makes 17.16. That makes a total of 42.90 meter cube. Second one is lime concrete in foundation, long walls 2, 11.70, 1.10, 0.30, that makes a total quantity of 7.72. Short walls 3, 5.20 length, 1.10 breadth, 0.30, 5.15. That makes a total of 12.87 meter cube. Third one is the first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. Long walls, first footing 2, 11.40, 0.80, 0.2, that makes a total of 3.65. Second footing 2, 11.3, 0.7, 0.1, 0.70, 0.10, 1.58. Third footing 2, 11.20, 0.18, 0.10, 1.34. Fourth footing 2, 11.10, 0.50, 0.10, that makes a total of 1.11. In plinth wall above the footing 2, 11.40, 0.80, 7.04. Short walls, first footing 3, 5.50, 0.80, 0.20, 2.64. Second footing 3, 5.60, 0.70, 0.10, 1.18. Third footing 3, 5.70, 0.60, 0.10, 1.03. Fourth footing 3, 5.80, 0.50, 0.10, 0.87. Plinth wall above footing 3, 5.90, 0.40, 0.80, 5.66. That makes a total of 26.60 meter cube. Fourth one is the damp proof course, 2.5 centimeter thick, long walls 2, 11.4, no depth, 8.80 quantity. Short walls 3, 5.90, 0.40, that makes a total quantity of 7.08. So that sums up to a total of 15.88. We have to deduct the door sills to 1.20, 0.40. That makes a quantity of 0.96. Net total is 14.92. The last one is the first class brickwork in lime mortar and superstructure. Long walls 2, 10.90, 0.30, 4.20, 27.47. Short walls 3, 6.30, 4.20, 22.68. That makes a total of 50.15. So this is how we estimate the specifications that is required. To deduct the openings, we have door openings 2, 1.20, 0.30, 2.10, 1.51. Window openings is 4, 1.3, 1.5, that makes the total quantity of 1.80. Shelves 2, 1.20, 1.50, 0.60. Lintel over doors, lintel over windows, and lintel over shelves. Lintel over doors is 2, 1.50, 0.30, 0.15, that makes total of 0.14. Lintel over windows is 4, 1.30, 0.30, 0.15, 0.23. Lintels over shelves 2, 1.30, 0.30, 0.15, 0.12. So total reduction is 4.40 and net total is 45.75 meter cube. So this is the estimation of buildings. Thank you all for your attention. Hope you have understood the estimation of buildings. We'll be seeing the other structures in further classes. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. Thank you all. We'll see you in next class.